This is my last time buying shoes from Stockx. This some bullshit. Stockx, y'all can kiss my. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Oh yeah, and welcome to Clones TV. Man, look, your boy bought the Jordan 12 playoffs about a month ago. And I paid, damn, I'm ashamed to tell y'all what I paid. I paid about $500, a little bit over $5 for them. And I really wanted the shoe. And when they came in, I was excited. Now, recently, your boy just hit on a raffle on Hibbett app. And when the shoe came in, we went to go pick up the shoe, I noticed a difference between the two. The ones I hit on the raffle from Hibbett and the ones from Stockx. So I'm gonna let my boy Trey break it down. All right, Trey, take it away. Let's go. Appreciate it. Now, these right here are from Stockx. I got them a month ago. And these right here is from Hibbett. Got them a day or two ago. So the problem I have with the ones from Stockx is the strip on the side is smooth, you know, and you got a goddamn glue stain right there too. Now I've been knew about the glue stain. I've been knew about how smooth it was, but you know it's different when you get a pair in when you hit on the raffle and you can do a comparison. So if you look here, man, look at that. This one ain't smooth. It's the Hibbett pair. It's the Stockx pair. Let's do the inside. See how smooth this is? And right here, you can feel the grooves. You can feel, you know, that alligator print. Then you got like a little piece of string right here sticking up. I cut that. That ain't a big deal. But y'all let me know, man. You know, did Stockx sell your boy some fakes? Let me know. Well, look. Y'all let us know, is the pair that we got from Stockx, is it fake? And now if it's real, you know, let us know. Fake, real, because we don't know. So y'all let your boy know down there in the comment section below. All right, we out. Peace. Peace, baby. Mm-hmm.